So for 2.3, number 18, you've got f of x equals sine of x over x, so one of our favorite trig functions. They keep popping up. And they want you to find the derivative and evaluate it at pi over 6. So it's a quotient rule. So you have your low and your high, so the bottom and top. So to do the quotient rule, you do low d high, which means take the bottom parts of your x and multiply it by the derivative of the top. So the derivative of sine is cosine, minus high, so sine of x, d low, the derivative of x is 1, all over the bottom square, which is x squared. So this is your derivative. Now you're going to substitute in pi over 6 for all the x's. So to do this, you should know these by heart by now, hopefully, because you've been working with the unit circle, but if not, the unit circle, pi over 6 is that first angle, first radian on the unit circle. And so the cosine is your x value, so like how much you have to go over to get to this point, which is square root of 3 over 2. And your sine is your y value, so how far up is that? So that's 1/2. So cosine of pi over 6 is square root of 3 over 2. So you're going to replace this with this number. Minus sine of pi over 6 is 1/2, so it's becoming minus 1/2. All over pi over 6 squared. I would leave it like this, but if you wanted to like simplify more, you can keep simplifying, and you can multiply these through and make 12 your denominator. You can make common denominators and combine them together on the top. You can just keep going, or you can just put in your calculator and get a decimal. That's fine too. I would leave it like this, but if you want to get a decimal answer, it's negative 0.1697. And that is how you do number 18.